Your doors are more than just entryways. They protect your home, help regulate temperature, and add curb appeal. But over time, even the best doors wear down. If you live in Fayetteville and you're wondering whether it's time to replace your door, there are a few key signs to watch for. Replacing an old or worn-out door doesn't just improve looks, it can boost safety, energy efficiency, and comfort, too. Here are the top signs it might be time to replace your door. It's hard to open or close. If your door sticks, creaks, or is tough to open and close, that's a red flag. Changes in humidity or foundation shifting, both common in Fayetteville, can cause the door frame to warp. Over time, wood doors may swell or shrink, and metal doors may rust. If you're using force just to get in or out, it's not only frustrating, it could be unsafe in an emergency. A properly installed door should open and close smoothly. You feel drafts or see light around the edges. A well-sealed door should keep the weather out. If you notice a draft when you walk by or can see sunlight around the frame, your door isn't doing its job. These gaps can drive up energy bills by letting hot air in during the summer and cold air in during the winter. In a city like Fayetteville, where seasons can shift quickly, that's money flying right out the door. A new, energy-efficient door can help maintain a consistent temperature inside your home. Visible damage or wear dents, cracks, rotting wood, rust, peeling paint. These are all signs your door has seen better days. Damage doesn't just affect how your door looks. It can weaken the door's structure and make your home less secure. If you notice the frame pulling away from the wall or the door not sitting right in the jamb, it's probably time for a replacement. A new door can also help reduce outside noise and improve your home's overall feel. It's outdated or doesn't match your home. Sometimes it's not just about damage, it's about style. Maybe you've remodeled other parts of your home, and your old front or patio door doesn't match anymore. An outdated or faded door can drag down your home's curb appeal, even if everything else looks fresh. Replacing the door with a modern style or material that fits your home's look can make a big difference. It's a small change that can increase your home's value and give a great first impression. Security concerns. Your door is the first line of defense for your home. If it doesn't lock properly or feels flimsy, it's putting your safety at risk. Older doors may not have strong enough materials or may be easier to force open. Modern replacement doors are built with better locks, stronger cores, and reinforced frames. If you've been worried about break-ins or your door just doesn't feel secure anymore, don't wait. Upgrading to a new door can bring peace of mind. Moisture or mold problem. If you see moisture between glass panes on a door or notice mold or mildew around the frame, it could mean water is getting in. In Fayetteville's humid climate, moisture can sneak in and cause major issues over time. Mold not only damages materials but can also affect your indoor air quality. A properly sealed, weather-resistant door can stop these problems before they start. Ready for a change? If you've noticed any of these signs, it might be time to consider a door replacement. A new door can help your home feel safer, more comfortable, and more attractive, and it might even lower your energy bills. Whether you're dealing with drafts, damage, or just want a new look, replacing your door is a smart investment in your Fayetteville home.